In this lab, we were shown 6 fossils, and we had to identify them as useful index fossils and name the periods. The oldest fossil that I recognize was the last fossil that was shown, which is the Trilobita fossil. It's an arthropod, and it existed during, or as an index fossil, it's useful to notate the early Cambrian period. The second was the gastropoda. It's similar to a snail or a slug, and it existed during the Ordovician period. Or actually it's useful as an index fossil during the Ordovician period. The third was the Brachiopoda or Brachiopoda. I'm not sure how to say that. It was, or it is useful to identify the early Silurian through the Jurassic period. The fourth fossil was the Anthozoa, and it is useful to identify mostly the Devonian period. And the fifth was the first fossil that was shown, which is the Ammonoidea mollusk, and it helps to identify the mid-Devonian period. And the last is the bivalvia that helps identify the Paleogene through the Quaternary period. The last question asked, why would we not find trilobites and sedimentary rocks in South Florida? And from what I could deduce, trilobites would not have existed in South Florida because South Florida was still underwater, and trilobites existed onshore, near shore. So there wouldn't be any trilobite fossils found in South Florida because it didn't exist as onshore or near shore.